Hello people of the Webernet. Today I have a new tutorial to show you. It's pretty pointless, but it's still pretty cool at the same time. So it is a gravel or sand elevator type thing. Reason it's sort of pointless? Well, it's just impossible to use as far as I've seen for going up or down using it as its main purpose, an elevator. So here's a quick example of it. Right now my computer is a little laggy because of the video recording. Normally it works pretty well. I implemented a emergency shutoff, which it just moves the block from between those two repeaters. So now I'm going to show you how to make it. I set up this wall so that I know my boundaries. So what we're going to want to start off doing is, I don't know. I guess I'll build it mostly focused on this corner over here. So what I'm going to start off by doing is placing some redstone over here to make the main switch. This is going to require quite a few pieces of redstone and everything, so just be aware of that. Gonna want to put some repeaters over here. This one is really important that you set it to the last setting, because that is what is required to make sure that this works. Yeah, you don't want to put a piston. This is a sticky piston. You don't want to put a sticky piston that way. You can use any block here. Personally, I just prefer to use smooth stone. You can use anything you want. So yeah, I'm gonna have to keep going back over here to double check my progress. Okay. I've only really gotten this to work well like once. This recent attempt is my best job that I've done so far. Starting to wish I just recorded that one. You're also going to want to put the repeaters over here. This video is going to be really long and rambly, so if I were you, I just wouldn't watch it. Okay, that's... Okay, I hate lag. I hate lag. I hate lag. I hate lag. Okay, so that did go there. I'm going to build mostly in creative mode here. This one has to be set to 4. If you want to implement my okay, yeah. I'd suggest doing this in creative mode, but it might not work well. So if you'd like to implement my emergency shutoff, which I would strongly suggest, you're going to need a redstone torch right there, a sticky piston okay, going to pretend that I can actually place this piston. Okay, don't. My computer obviously does not like making YouTube videos. There, I got a sticky piston. You're gonna want to put any block right there. I just personally always prefer having I always personally prefer smooth stone, but whatever. So you're gonna want to place that there. I'm not even gonna bother covering this up. And you'll just put a switch right there. This isn't working very well for me, so I'm not gonna do that. So again, you want to put another repeater there. Set it to the end mark. You're gonna want to put some redstone over here. You're gonna want to make some sort of a bridge over your redstone right here. I honestly cannot remember how I am doing this. Okay, that's it. You're also going to want to put some right here. That helps. Okay, note to self, this is officially stupid. Gonna want to put a repeater right here, set to 1 tick. Some redstone right here. A whatchamacallit, torch right here. Gonna want to put some block right there, block right there. That block right there underneath the torch was completely optional. I just put it in because I'm okay, we'll get rid of you. Where am I? Gonna want to put in repeater right here. Not sure exactly how far yet. Just about every repeater you're going to put in on the ground here is going to be set to 4. That is because of the way you are building this. I am building this stupidly. I think that goes there. Yeah. And then that goes there. Okay, I'm going with you going right there. Oh, wait, that can't go there. Yes, it can. Okay, ignore my internal dialogues because they're just getting weird. So yeah, that's partially your base. Next thing you're going to want to do, put something there, put something there. By the way, you use a lot of sticky pistons in this one. Actually, not a lot. There's like your last sticky piston that I believe you'll place. Yes, it is. So just to note that. So that goes there. Oh, now you'll want to build some form of a staircase over this. So and put redstone on it. And this is just some form of emergency. Oh, you don't want to put redstone right there. That's me being stupid. Or okay, this video is gonna get like so many dislikes. Let's stop there for a moment, because now okay, oh, very important step, you gotta put a what do you call them? You have to put you have to put some block, doesn't matter what block, you just have to put a block right there. You're also going to need to place a regular piston here, not that way. Okay, I'm going to do that. I'll go for sure. Yeah, this is in basically no particular order. Okay, why? Oh, maybe if I built this correctly, it would actually work. Okay, that did not work. I would watch this video, then watch it again. That's my best advice to you, if you are actually watching this. No, wrong piston. Yes, so that piston goes there. Then you're going to want to put a little bit of redstone this way. It's important that you go out to, not just for the piston, but also, well, yeah, basically just for the piston, and also for the, I need a block here. Oh wait, no. How come? That's why. Oh, and then you're going to need to put a block here. So that, and this only works with gravel or sand, nothing else, because it greatly relies on some of the weird rules of gravity that we have in this world. And I like to make a little bottomless pit. If you're in creative mode, you can just make literally a bottomless pit that goes through the ground. Now you're going to need to put another regular piston facing upwards. Maybe I should have waited to put that sticky piston in. Okay, yeah. Put the sticky piston in last. Normal piston facing upwards. some universe this must apply in physics. Okay, I don't believe you need any repeater here. I'm not going to put one in. If it malfunctions, then you need a repeater. But for the moment, I do not believe you need a repeater. So now with your gravel or sand, this is completely optional. It'll automatically do it if you don't. But you're going to want to put one there, one here, and then you're going to want to put your sticky piston back in. And that's the basics of this. Oh, and I'm going to have to do a lot of editing on here. Oh, and then right about, where was it? I need a better memory. Okay, so I'm going to put it there. You need another repeater over here. Again, always set these to 4 ticks on the ground. Yeah, 4 ticks. Oh, and then you're going to want to put another repeater in front of it. I don't know why, you're just going to want to. Now that you have that done, you're actually almost done here. You're really close. The next thing you're going to want to do is build this like spirally trap thing all the way up. Yes, I said all the way up. And it really doesn't matter how high you go. Actually, it does. Doesn't matter how low you are, just as long as you're high enough. So you're going to want to go 1, 2 steps up, go straight, go up, and then just, yeah. That's not too... Okay, I'm definitely starting to see the disadvantages. In creative mode. So yeah, go straight and then just spiral up. And this last part is optional, I would say, but if you don't do it, don't be surprised if your thing starts to malfunction. Okay, almost done. Believe. Please say yes, yes. Now you're going to want to go up here, place a normal piston facing outwards, place some redstone, and you should be done. That last piston is to make this an ever-repeating cycle. Now, you're going to want to place the gravel just past that top piston, like 3 or 4 blocks, I'd say. And oh, and then you can place any type of switch here in order to turn that one on. You want to have that one turned off for the moment. And so now this all should work. There's a lot of keyword in the should. Okay, I think it's just the lag that's making this not work. I'm gonna check. Oh, I think I got it. Nope. Yeah, yours doesn't work. That'll be slightly your problem. This is the best I can do, so good luck. And done.